Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Power BI for CRM dashboards easy tutorial step by step. To get started with Power BI for CRM dashboards, open your web browser. Navigate to the Power BI website by typing in the URL. Once on the home page, look for the Sign Up Free button. Click on it to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid business email for best results. After entering your email, click on Sign Up. Next, check your inbox for a verification. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Power BI sign up page. Now, create a strong password for your new account. Make sure to meet the password requirements listed. After setting your password, enter your name and job title. You will also need to specify your organization's name. Select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Click on Next to proceed with the registration. You may also need to provide information about your CRM system. Follow the prompts to complete this section accurately. Once all fields are completed, review the information you've entered. If everything looks correct, click on Create Account. Now, you may need to choose whether to receive updates and newsletters. Decide based on your preference and make your selection. After that, you should see a welcome screen indicating your account is ready. Explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. To start creating CRM dashboards, click on Get Data. Follow the prompts to connect to your CRM system. Choose the data sources you want to visualize. Once connected, import the data to Power BI. You can now customize your dashboards by dragging and dropping visuals. Experiment with various charts and graphs to analyze your data effectively. Make sure to save your work periodically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.